Dog lovers, assemble. We've got 60 rounds of possum face-offs. Would you pick the fluff, the drool, or the drool-worthy fluff? Tap like if you're ready. Let the cutest battle begin. 1. Round 1. Scottish Terrier or Bulldog? Who's got that cute factor that tugs your heart? Tap your pick and don't forget to smash that like button. 2. Beard or Beauty? The Schnauzer's rocking that signature beard, but the Siberian Husky's icy eyes are stealing hearts. Comment your favorite. 3. It's a battle of the adorable. Papillon with butterfly ears versus the Samoyed, a walking snow cloud, which melts your heart. 4. Bernese Mountain Dog brings charm and fluff, while the Doberman Pinscher flexes that sleek elegance. Who's more photogenic? 5. Bulldog wrinkles or Pitbull muscles? Both are lovable legends, but you can only pick one. Make it count. 6. Boston Terrier with that tuxedo look or the Pomeranian with royal fluff? Who wins the ah factor for you? 7. Golden Retriever, the ultimate good boy, or the charmingly compact French Bulldog? Who gets your vote? 8. Havanese flaunts silky elegance, while the Shih Tzu serves royal realness. Which one's your ultimate cuddle buddy? 9. The Pug's snub nose and big eyes or the Beagle's floppy ears and detective stare? Drop your choice in the comments. 10. Doberman, sleek and alert, or the elegant Borzoi with those graceful legs? Who's your dream dog walk partner? 11. Real dog lovers hit like faster than a tail wag. Don't scroll. Tap that button if you're team dog. 12. Giant Great Dane or cuddly Cavapoo? Are you into big bodyguards or pocket-sized fluff? Pick your side. 13. Corgi's royal swagger or Jack Russell's Olympic zoom eyes? Who's your favorite short-legged legend? 14. Maltese brings the silky charm, but Bichon Frise is the puffball of dreams. Who wins the lapdog crown? 15. Shiba Inu's foxy smirk versus the Portuguese water dog's swimmer's spirit. Who's your waterside wingman? 16. The energetic Australian Kelpie or the silky Aussie Terrier? Who's the cutest export from down under? 17. Poodle's brains and style versus Labrador's athletic heart? Classic family pets. But which one's your MVP? 18. It's muscle versus mischief boxer in one corner, Rottweiler in the other. Who's your knockout choice? 19. Swiss Mountain Dog brings alpine strength, while Lagotto Romagnolo is a truffle hunting genius. Who's your mountain hero? 20. Shih Tzu or Pekingese, two royal breeds with fabulous coats. Who deserves the throne? 21. Miniature pincher or Chinese crested. Tiny titans of personality. Which one brings the bigger attitude? 22. Speed demon rat terrier or stylish Brittany spaniel. Who's got the zoom and the flair? 23. Real ones comment their dog's name right now. We want to meet your furry bestie. Drop it below. 24. Shetland sheepdog or cocker spaniel. It's a fluff off who's wagging their way into your heart. 25. Chow Chow brings the lion mane, but Bedlington Terriers got lamb vibes. Who wins this fluff overload? 26. Mini American Shepherd or Border Collie. These farm heroes are built for brains and agility. Who's your pick? 27. The Irish Wolfhound's gentle giant energy versus the scrappy Border Terrier. Big love or bold charm? 28. Basset Hound's droopy ears or English Mastiff's massive hug energy. Who's your sleepy sidekick? 29. Westie or Dandy Dinmont. Small Scots, big style. Which pup reps the Highlands best? 30. Lassie vibes from the Rough Collie or bold charisma from the Wire Fox Terrier. What's your vintage vibe? 31. Dalmatian's iconic spots or the Bloodhound's legendary sniffer. Who's your pick for canine superstar? 32. It's elegance versus strength. Whippet with the runway stride or Bullmastiff with the power stance. Drop your vote. 33. Akita's fluffy power or St. Bernard's rescue hug. Who's the ultimate cuddle tank? 34. Brussels Griffin brings royal sass, while the Japanese chin floats like a feather. Who wins your lap? 35. American Eskimo dog or case haunt. Frosty fluff overload. Who's your favorite snowball? 36. Italian Greyhound is sleek and silent. Irish Setter is all glam and energy. Who makes your heart race? 37. Dorgie or Yorkie Poo. Tiny tails, huge personality. Which pup is your ultimate sidekick? 38. Russell Terrier's high energy versus Cairn Terrier's earthy charm. Who's your backyard champ? 39. English Bulldog stands proud, but American Bully brings new-gen swagger. Classic or modern? What's your pick? 40. Old English Sheepdog's Giant Shag versus Staffordshire Bull Terrier's Muscle Fluff? Who's your champion? (41) It's an Akita face-off. Japanese Akita with traditional grace or American Akita's bold build? Who takes the crown? (42) Designer Dog Duel. Maltipoo or Golden Doodle? Who's fluffier, cuter, and more camera-ready? (43) Save the dog or open the mystery box. Make your choice. Are you loyal or curious? (44) Offenpincher's Tiny Rebel Energy or the Corgidor's Sausage Body Swag? Who's your ultimate oddball? (45) Chihuahua's Nervous Zoom Eyes or Greyhound's Racetrack Stride? Speed or Snuggles? What's your vibe? (46) Welsh Terrier brings heritage charm, while Airedale Terrier rules the old school game. Who wins this vintage vibe off? (47) American Foxhound versus English Foxhound. It's a hound showdown. Whose nose do you trust? (48) Commodore's floor mop locks or the Pulley's bouncing dreadlocks? Who wins this textured tussle? (49) Australian Cattle Dog or Sesky Terrier? Ranch life energy meets Eastern elegance. Which workhorse wins? (50) Black Russian Terrier brings shadow strength. Bedlington's got curly style. Who commands your loyalty? (51) English Setter's Elegance or Mini Bull Terrier's Compact Punch? Regal fluff or sturdy style? (52) German Spitz versus Finnish Spitz. It's a fox face-off. Who pulls off the Spitz look better? (53) Kangal's Serious Power or Great Pyrenees Majestic Watch? Who's your guardian of greatness? (54) Yorkshire Terrier or Fox Terrier? Two tiny titans, but who wears the crown? (55) Chinese Shar Pei with the wrinkles or Giant Schnauzer with the beard? Who's your unique beast? (56) Chiweenie brings pocket-sized mischief. Alaskan Malamute brings Snow King vibes. Who wins your heart? (57) Is a Royal Corgi clash Cardigan with a tail or Pembroke without? Who's your lowrider majesty? (58) German Shepherd's Ultimate Loyalty versus Shar Pei's Stoic Strength. Who do you trust to stand by you? (59) Pause here. Drop your favorite dog breed so far in the comments. We're all ears. Literally. 60. It's time for the crown. Recap the cuteness and hit like if your favorite pup made it to the top. And that's it. 60 rounds, 60 breeds. But only one can take the doggo crown. Did your favorite make it? Drop the name in the comments. Smash like if you backed a winner. And don't forget to follow for more pet battles every week.